Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Nestopar. So this is basically an online application that is available on Google Play Store, and they also have their official website, which is a good signal about this platform. So once I tried searching for it and dive deeper, I got to know it has a 3.8 rating out of 5 stars on Google Play Store, which is like a slightly good rating, but it is based on 223 reviews, and 50,000 plus people have actually installed this application so far. So another green signal about this platform is like it is also available on App Store, and on App Store it has also a really good rating. But the thing is, once I tried searching for their reviews on the Scam Advisor, I got to know it has a really good trust score of 100 out of 100. And the negative highlights of this website is the website does not have many visitors, and this website is not optimized for the search engines. And this is true. Once I tried searching for their official website on Google through their name, I couldn't find it, so I have to enter their official URL on there in the Chrome URL bar. So in conclusion, I would say like this application is a legit application, but it is not recommended because it cannot meet the other social media applications such as the Facebook and Instagram. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.